MIBUNA is related to mizuna or mustard greens and is grown for cultivation in Miba, situated in the Kyoto Prefecture in Japan. It has been a culinary vegetable for many centuries in Japan. It can be distinguished from its serrated mizuna mustard greens by its smooth, rounded, and spear-shaped leaves, which have a resemblance to spinach leaves. The leaves are dark green with light green stems that grow up from the ground in small, tight clusters, rather than forming a rosette or bunch clump like many brassicas. When viewed as a mature plant, the appearance is of an open clump created from many small clusters. The flower is the normal 4 yellow petals found in the brassicas. As a leaf crop, MIBUNA prefers to have nitrogen-rich soil and regular water to keep the soil moist, but well drained. Loamy soils generally provide good conditions for sufficient moisture retention. It is likely to bolt to seed during cold or hot weather. However, new growth is able to resist cold more easily, so taking a cut and come again approach to harvesting may help in this situation. Overall, it prefers wet rather than dry conditions, so adequate water is a must. These have a peppery cabbage flavor and can be used raw in salads or cooked in stir-fries. The young flowering stems can be cooked like broccoli. MIBUNA is similar to mizuna, but with a stronger, light mustard flavor. Usually used in salads or as a side dish when lightly cooked and seasoned. MIBUNA are good companions for beans, beetroot, cabbage, carrots, cucumber, peas, and strawberries. They are not suitable for growing near parsley though. MIBUNA is full of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and folate. If you're someone who enjoys a fresh salad for lunch, then add some MIBUNA greens for an extra punch of nutrition.